Hello everyone, myself Rajeev and I'm first year CSE student. On the basis of innovation and imaginative ideas, my idea is personalized health bot, in which my idea is that a device in which it implants on a human body and it records its minerals, vitamins, and the other essential nutrients. It has many advantages like it empowers humans with better diets. It gives us a better planning on our diets, our minerals, and other essentials. It creates a interface in which our health will be in our hands, and it will be very helpful to athletes and other persons with some allergies in which they can manage their diet. uh, it prevents many health complications like any deficiency or any other problems. It comes with some disadvantages like complications in making the device, and it is technically not possible at present time, and the data should be preserved safely. And it's the prototype in which a device sends the signals and to the mobile phone, creating the interface. And I have provided an interface in which ideas how it will be present. And that's it. That's my idea. And thank you.